Do y'all ever get a craving for maybe a sweet biscuit? Well, I got the ticket for y'all. In my magazine, Cooking with Paula Deen, the January-February issue has a different array of biscuits from savory to sweet. So I just wanted to share this recipe with y'all because, I'll take a biscuit sweet or savory myself. So I'm going to take, I've got 2 cups of self-rising flour. So you'll notice I don't have any baking powder or baking soda, anything up here. So I've got my 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. So I'm just going to incorporate those 2 things. And I'm supposed to be adding my lemon zest to it, but I'm going to wait until last minute to stir that in because this zest will get caught on your whisk or your cutter, whatever you're doing. So I'll stir those in a minute. But I'm going to take a 1/2 stick of cold butter, and that's 1 stick. 1 stick equals 1/2 cup. And I'm just going to cut in, and that is cold butter. You want it to be cold, not soft. So I'm just going to blend this in until it kind of takes on the look of cornmeal. Okie dokie. All right, let's see. I can't remember what I do next. I'm going to stir in the blueberries and the sour cream and the buttermilk. So, and this is a drop biscuit, y'all. We're not going to have to knead it or roll it out. So, oh my gosh. And when these come out of the oven, y'all, we're going to do a sweet glaze on it with a little confectionate sugar and lemon juice. So we're going to perk up that lemon zest with some lemon juice. All right, in goes our blueberries. Now, since these are drop biscuits, y'all, I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. And this is, depending on how heavy your hand is, this is supposed to make 12 biscuits. All right, now I'm going to add our zest. Because if anything gets caught on my spatula, I can distribute it. I can get it off of that and distribute it. Oh, this looks good. Pretty dough, y'all. Okie doke. I'm going in for the kill, y'all. I'll spray my ice cream scoop so my dough won't stick to it. There you go, Teresa. Usually she's in here grabbing my stuff before I shoved it that away. Because she was over there. All right. And you want to cook these biscuits an inch or so apart so that, your biscuit can brown on all sides. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, a baker's dozen. We did good. All right, I'm going to have to wash the dough off my fingers because I've still got to sprinkle our biscuits with turbinado sugar. Okay. I think it calls for like 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon, but y'all know I'm going to use more than that. These are going to go into a preheated 400-degree oven, y'all. And we're going to cook them for maybe 15 minutes. Yep, 15 minutes. I remembered. Can't believe it. So in the oven they go. And while they're baking, I'm going to mix up our confectionate sugar and our lemon juice. While our biscuits are cooking in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and mix up our glaze. 1 cup of confectionate sugar and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And I always use fresh. I just do not like that artificial lemon juice. I want the real deal. Okay, 1 cup, 2 tablespoons. Perfect. Now I just got to watch those biscuits. We got biscuits, y'all. Don't they smell? I can actually smell the blueberries. Can you, Eddie? Can you, Teresa?
I can't yet, but I can tell you.
Smell that. Yum. Just gonna move them kind of close together. So when I start to drizzle, I can make sure everybody gets their fair amount of drizzle. I don't want to show any partiality. They're not the first biscuit. I'm going to see if they're too hot for me to drizzle. Like, whoa. Uh-oh. I had way too much on that first batch. Would anybody like to share a biscuit with me? Okay. Let's grab it and growl. I'm not even going to waste my time. I'm going to go after a smaller one.
I was trying to do, but I'm going to have...
Make you smack somebody.
Mm-hmm.
It's all over your lips. You got it. You licked it off.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-huh. 400 degrees, 15 minutes, y'all.
Easy peasy.
And I might have to make one more little batch of the glaze.
I knew you were going to say that.
Uh-huh. Nothing makes me madder than to get something with a skimp on the glaze.
Mm-hmm. Like Cinnabon, I always buy the extra icing pepper.
Delicious, y'all. Please make sure you keep this recipe in your repertoire because you'll love it. It's so easy. No rolling out, no nothing. So, behind this biscuit, I'm sending y'all love and best dishes today. Thanks for joining me. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.